Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cash out on Freecash using a PC. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your PC, go to the Freecash website and log into your account. Once you are logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see a balance. There, click on the balance to open the withdrawal page. Now you will see different cash out options. This may include PayPal, cryptocurrency, gift cards, and other payment methods. Choose the payment method you want. For example, if you choose PayPal, click on PayPal. Next, enter your PayPal email address carefully. Make sure it's correct so your money goes to the right place. Now check the minimum cash out amount. Some methods small withdrawals while others may need a higher amount. After that, click the withdrawal or redeem button. Freecash asks you to verify your account, complete the verification. This may include confirming your email or a quick security check. Once confirmed, your cash out request will be processed. Some withdrawals are instant and others may take a few minutes or a few hours. And that's it. That's how you cash out on Freecash using a PC. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.